Hey, what's up? So, let's start with a Monday update. Uh, Obviously, huge weakness on BTC, as we can see. Uh, the thing is, you need to understand today is the first day of December, so it's not that surprising that we have a drop. Uh, we we have the very big weakness on the chart. We created this distribution range above. Now it's a massive weakness. We just got one green week previous week, and people are already bullish. So it just shows you the state of the market. People are just too optimistic about what is happening. uh, I'm just watching basically what is happening here. We had a rejection zone, support, resistance. This is the next support. As you can see, the previous week we just tapped it. We just tapped this support, but usually we cannot see a market structure change on a higher time frame just by one tap into support. This move up was just to liquidate over leveraged shorts. The crucial thing which I'm watching is that we didn't even change the market structure on 4 hours. So I will show you what I mean by that. Here you have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and as you can see, lower high. We didn't change the market structure. The thing is, this is like a very big liquidity pool of shorts which want to be taken out. So I wouldn't be surprised to see anytime the one more squeeze and continuation. But the thing is, we were playing short. I will show you from where. Second short position. I will explain you why we played short. We are still playing short. First of all, we had this huge bullish move to the upside, and then we were ranging, right? Here you had the very big move up, but didn't take out. We didn't change the market structure even, but it was not the short signal yet. It was confluence on some level, on some time frames and some levels, but was not enough to get short. Here we have like printing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and we had a change because we broke those lows. We broke this low, this low, this low, this low. It tells you that the market structure is changing at the lower time frame, but still we don't know what to do over here. We just wait. As you can see, this was the crucial high which I was monitoring. Yesterday we tapped it perfectly, and I took a short over here. Then I was waiting for the small pullback. At the moment, no one knew that it's already short. We had like huge pullback, and this was enough for me to have bias to sell. This zone 91.7, 91.5, it was the extension which I was watching. This was the rejection zone. Usually what we do on BTC, as you can see over here, it was first rejection, 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 then we tried to break above, retest, but failed in the end. So when I saw this, what is happening, that we got back below and we are retesting this as resistance. And here we can see it's lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, with a retest of this was here the resistance area. Over here we created this on Thursday and Friday. So once we got below, first of all, this level, then this, we were retesting all of them as resistance, even over here. This was like a perfect short with a stop loss. You can even take a short over here with a stop loss above the high, and you should be targeting with this short, you should be targeting at least this low. This was like a TP1, this was TP2, and now we just leave it to go. And here we can just, for now, we can just look at the Fibonacci retracement. Here you have a GP, what we call GP, so golden pocket. for now we are front running it. As you can see, we don't want to tap it, but me personally, I'm waiting for 83.8 to see what will happen. But my bias is more to go into this zone again, to this support, especially to tap 78.4. But in my opinion, on the books is even April low with this support level over here. So I do believe if we will see a move like this, then losing this, taking out those lows, reclaim, maybe then continuation. But for now, we need to play what is shown on the chart to us. So we stay short for now. We don't close it. Also, this whole move down, we were playing long from here because we had the first nice reaction at the support. Usually it's the arrival low, it's not the ultimate low. We are waiting for the SFP of the low, which we did. I will show you on the lower time frame how it looked like. So here we created this low first, just delete it. We created this low, we were trying to hold it, and you can just simply mark it as the low which you are monitoring. If you drop to a lower time frame, you can see that we lost this low, then we reclaim it. Once you reclaim it, you can easily entertain long position with a stop loss below the low. It's very low risk, very low risk entry. Yes, and that's about the low. But I want to show you what exactly happened, like to help you for the future. Look, we have that first move, second wave, and then we had this third wave, longest wave to the upside. It was very extended move, and right after this we had a change in market structure, ranging, it's fifth wave, and now we see a drop. So this is basically what I saw in the chart, so you can understand my bias, why I was not expecting higher prices. Especially this whole move up is called in trading, it's called Bart Simpson chart. You can check how it looks like. It's usually a pump, then it's ranging, and then it's instant drop. Because why this move? Like, people talk about the news, about China, about everything, but truly doesn't matter. The thing is, the faster something goes up, like here, the fast it can go down as well, because there was no supporting market structure, right? This is what we call kind of healthy market structure, because you have the range. Usually there is a lot of volume in this range where you can try to find some support, but as we can see, we are trying to hold it, but we lost it. The thing is, more important is over here this fair value gap, which should act as support, but there was no reaction. We lost this, and as you can see over here, we even retested this as resistance. So for now the whole chart is very bearish. There is nothing to be bullish about at the moment. Let's see. Yeah, we even lost the local support. So I'm expecting at least GP, so golden pocket, or 83.8 as the support level. If it will not show any sign of support, then we easily target 78.4. We see what is happening over there. If there is no support, no good bullish reaction, we can target easily April lows. So as always, we are playing what we see on the chart. We don't play our biases. We don't hope for the new all-time high. I'm discussing it every day with people. Everyone is telling me that we will go to new all-time high. I don't see it. I don't see it. Basically, we lost this whole structure. Like, as you can see, it's like, even if you take it like this, let's say, yeah, because this was like the first low we created. We saw a huge week, then we lost, reclaimed this trend line, tried to hold, lost it, back tested, boom. So I'm watching this zone particularly and this, because here you have anchored view up from the low back in 2022, and also in confluence with weekly SMA 200. So I'm watching those levels. At the moment, I think there is too much hopium in the market. I'm not saying, because we can just easily take out the previous week low, which we have over here. This is the previous week low. We can just easily take it out and then take out the previous week high. It's not that hard. So on the, it can even look like this. Let me show you. It can even look like take out and continuation, right? It can be like this. I'm not saying it can't, but the more bias for me is to take out the previous month low, since we look, it's open of new month, as you can see here, close, open, and we just dumped. So they were just trying to hold the monthly, they tried to push it up, but they couldn't. Now we can see huge weakness, but also this weakness can end up just like a sweep of the previous month low, tap into support, reclaim, and then we can target, for example, previous week high or even higher, depending what will happen. Overall, as I'm saying, since last week's Bitcoin is very bearish. We were shorting the all-time high over here. As you can see, this zone of rejection is really nice, because we couldn't break above. We tried here, but on really low volume. As you can see, there is no like real breakout. We just hold one daily candle above, then we got back inside, retest, and we went down again, retest, and continuation to the downside. So for now, market structure is telling us that the lower prices are to come, and we should be positioned more to the downside than to the upside. This is basically what we should do. Here we had this consolidation, which I also monitoring. Here you have the POC of this range, so it means that this is the highest POC, is the highest volume node. So we can expect some protection from the bulls, like they will be trying to protect this level, because if it's lost, then the next level is value low over here in confluence with anchored view up. So let's see. It is nice because it takes out psychological 70k as well. As you can see, it's 69.7. So if we lose 70k, it will be very, very bearish for everyone. And I think that's it from my side. Be careful, don't play longs for now, because as you can see, everyone who thought they catch the low, we just do a small stop over here and we continue. We again did small stop, did probably catch a lot of impatient traders who wants to entertain long. As you can see, it's easy. We just hit this SMA, it's directional SMA, boom, new low. We are tapping it again. We see continuation. One more thing I wanted to show you. Yesterday we tapped this SMA 20. SMA 20 is the very directional and the very strong move. So we just tapped it. This was like a lot of confluence in this zone, like super good confluence. If you could even check for our candles, how big weeks from the upside there were. Like there was like huge selling. So it's not surprising that we dropped that heavily, especially after this impulsive move up. The faster it goes up, the faster it goes up, the faster it goes down. So this is basically what you learn by years of watching the charts. So that's it from my side. Stay careful. I will also show you what I see on the bigger picture. I can even see these levels like 44, 45. We can easily visit those areas. It's like when I was telling people that we will go there when we were around this area, they were calling me crazy, but now we are almost the same way to the downside. Let's check. 45% around, and from here to the new all-time high, 47%. So we are closer to 45 than we are to new all-time high. So just keep this in mind. I'm not telling you to be ultra bearish or ultra bullish. I'm just telling you to play what is given to you. Now you can see even my Fibonacci is there. Yeah, as every time, this is not financial advice, this is just educational purpose. I'm just giving you my opinion. I don't expect anyone to listen to me. Just play what you see and stay safe. Till next time, thank you.